guys. She want to fly away. Fly away in the sky. Agre. Nawala na siya. Ay, oo nga, nakita ko sa salamin. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Guys, we're going to Mang Inasal. Yes. To eat our dinner. Yes, okay. Okay mga idols. Let's eat here in Mang Inasal. Yes. Okay. Taco Bell. Yes. This is a Taco Bell. Yes. Okay guys. Wow. Oh. So, I'm here now in Mang Inasal. Want to order. Ang ID ko nandito, gamitin natin. Parang ha? Oo, mamaya na siguro. Ay, doon sa ba? Ay, doon. Ay. Andun mo yun. Oo, andun o. Sayang. Yes, guys. Magdoon. Dito kaya. Oh. Meron dito oh. Ay, isa lang. Bakit? Ano sabi mo? Tapos mo siguro yun.